Welcome to The Explainer. You know how you can lose hours just scrolling through Pinterest? Well, what if I told you that all that scrolling could actually turn into a real source of income? Today, that's exactly what we're doing. We're building a complete roadmap, step by step, to take you from a simple account to your very first commission. So that's the big question, right? Is it really possible? And the answer is a resounding yes. We're going to break down exactly how you can transform this awesome visual platform into a powerful and honestly, pretty simple tool for affiliate marketing. We've got this broken down into 5 clear sections, but I want you to think of it like we're building a little digital income factory. We're going to start with the foundation, add the machinery piece by piece, and by the end, you'll have a running system ready to go. Okay, let's dive right in. Before we get into the how, we really need to understand the why. What makes Pinterest the secret weapon for this whole strategy? So this is the most critical point to get. Unlike a social media feed where your post is basically gone in a few hours, Pinterest acts like a search engine. Your content, your pins are evergreen. They can be found for months, even years after you post them. And that right there, that's the magic of passive income. You do the work just one time to create and post that pin, and it keeps working for you, driving traffic and potential sales 24/7. While you're sleeping, while you're on vacation, you get the idea. All right, let's get to our first hands-on step, setting up your Pinterest account for success. And don't just think of it as a profile. This is your digital storefront. It's got to look good. First things first, you want to convert your personal account to a business account. It's free, and it unlocks all the important analytics. Get a nice professional picture and name up there. But here's the real game changer. Connect your Instagram and turn on auto-publishing. This means every time you post a reel on Insta, it automatically creates a new pin for you. That's a huge time saver. So our digital storefront is built. Now it's time to stock the shelves. We need products to promote, and that's where the power of affiliate marketing, specifically with a giant like Amazon Associates, comes into play. The concept here is actually super simple. You're basically a promoter. You find products you like on Amazon, you share a special, unique link for it, and when somebody clicks your link and buys something, Amazon gives you a cut of the sale. That's it. Now, what's really cool is how easy Amazon makes this. Once your associate's account is approved, this little toolbar called the site stripe just appears at the top of the Amazon website. You literally just go to any product you want to promote, click Get Link on the stripe, and bam, it gives you your unique affiliate link. All right, pay close attention, because this next part is absolutely critical. To follow Amazon's rules and protect your account, you cannot, I repeat, cannot put your Amazon affiliate link directly into your Pinterest pin. We need to build a bridge. Yeah, the source material is very, very clear about this. Amazon's policies have changed, and posting a direct link could get your associate's account suspended or even totally banned. So to keep our account safe and that income stream protected, we're going to build a super simple 2-step bridge. And here is the exact blueprint for that bridge. First, you create a free, simple page in an app called Notion. Second, you just paste your Amazon affiliate link on that page. Third, you share that Notion page with the public and copy its web address. Fourth, you take that long Notion link and pop it into a free tool like Bitly to make it short and clean. And finally, that new short link is what you paste into your Pinterest pin. I know it sounds like a lot, but once you do it, it takes less than a minute. So there we have it. We have officially built the entire assembly line. We've got the storefront, the product on the shelf, and the safe way to link it all together. So now let's look at what this machine can actually make. Let's use a real example from our source material. This Korean-style night suit sells for around 649 rupees, and it has a 5% commission rate. A quick bit of math shows that just one sale of this item through your link earns you about 32 rupees. Now, I know what you might be thinking. 32 rupees, that's not going to change my life. But don't get stuck on that number. The real power here isn't in one sale. It's about volume and consistency over time. So just imagine your pins are out there working for you 24/7 on the Pinterest search engine. What happens if they start generating just 50 sales a day across all your products? Well, at $32 a sale, that suddenly becomes over $48,000 a month. And that's just from one type of product. The potential is huge. So to wrap it all up, here's your complete roadmap one more time. You set up that professional Pinterest profile, you join Amazon Associates, you find products and grab your links, you create pins with titles packed with keywords, you use that safe Notion and Bitly method for your linking, and then you publish. After that, you just let the Pinterest search engine do its thing. And there you have it, the full blueprint. A complete step-by-step guide from a blank profile to a real potential income stream. The only question left is, what are you going to build with it? What's the very first product you'll choose to promote? Thanks for joining us on The Explainer.